kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my another video tutorial on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I will teach you how you can use the Firebase ML kit and how to use the text recognizer using the Firebase machine learning kit using Android Studio in Kotlin language. Alright, so let's get started. So as you guys let me give you a demo. So here I have this my phone, and let me open the app and let's pick an image, and from there we can pick the image, and there you can see we have the image here. And if we click on detect, and there you can see it has detected the text, right? So in order to do that, let's get started. So first of all, we have to open this ML kit for Firebase, and here it gives us the text recognition in on device and also on cloud. But right now we will do the code for the on device recognition. Alright, so we will click on text recognition, and here what we are going to do is, first of all, we will implement the library. So for the library, let me copy the code and let's paste it here, and make sure that you use the Firebase ML Vision version 15.0.0, right? We will click on sync now. Alright, so now after here, what we are going to do is, first of all, we have to go to our main activity file. Let me just remove everything. Okay, so here first of all we will have the layout file. So here we will first of all write image view, and then its width will be match parent, and let's say height is 400 dp. Let's set the id as image view. Let's set the scale type, and it will be fit center. And after this we will have a button. It will be match parent wrap content. Then we will set it to be below image view. Let's set the text as pick image, and we will also let okay. So after this we will have another button that will be used to detect the text. So there we can say match parent wrap content. Then we can set the id as button detect, and also we forgot to add the id here of our previous button, and it will be button pick, right? And make sure that you use the layout below, and it will be below the button pick, right? And finally we can have the text as detect. Alright, and finally we will have the text view. So here we can say text view match parent wrap content, or I think it can be match parent, right? And we will set the id as text view. Then we will have the text size 14 sp. Text style will be bold, right? And it must be below the button detect. Okay, so let me just write text alignment. It will be center, and let's have a text. Alright, after this we have to go to our main activity file, and in here we will first of all initialize we will bind the view. So for this we can simply say image view, then we will have button pick for picking the image, and then we will have let init vr button detect, then we will have text view. Alright, and here we will bind the views. So here for this we can say image view equal to find view by id image view, then we have the button pick, text view. Alright, after we have all these things, and now we need the set on click listener for both the buttons. So for that we can say button pick dot set on click listener, and for the button detect also dot set on click listener. So that is it, right? And after this, first of all, here we will write the code to use the intent to open the image. So for that we can say value intent equal to intent into intent dot action pick, then we will use the media store class, media store dot images dot media dot internal content URI, and finally we will just use the start activity for result, and inside that we can pass on our intent and the request code, right? After that we can override the method on activity result, and here we can check if request code is equal to 100 and result code equal to result. Okay, so alright, so now here what we are going to do is we will have to use we have to pick the image and using the URI, right? So here we can say value URI equal to data dot data, and then we have to use a bitmap because we will convert the URI to bitmap. So for the bitmap we can say private variable bitmap equal to null. So finally here we can say like bitmap equal to media store dot images dot media dot get bitmap, and inside that we can use the content resolver, and we have to pass on the URI here, and finally we can just attach it to our image view. So here we can say image view dot set image bitmap, and inside that we can pass on our bitmap here. Alright, so after this here now the image has been picked and it has been set to the image view, and now we have to detect the text. So here we have to use the Firebase classes. So for that, first of all, here we can check if the bitmap is equal to null. So here we can just toast a message. So we can say toast no text detected, or here we can say no image selected, sorry, right? And inside our else part we will use the Firebase. So here we can say variable Firebase vision image equal to Firebase vision image dot from the bitmap, and we will pass on the bitmap here, and we have to use this, right? And after that we can say variable Firebase vision text detector equal to Firebase vision dot get instance dot get vision text detector. Right, and after this we can simply say Firebase vision text detector dot detect in image, and in here we have to pass on our Firebase vision image object. So for this we can say Firebase vision image, and here we have to use the add on complete listener. Okay, so here we will pass on we will create another method, and that will be process text, and inside that method we are going to pass this it dot get result. All right, so all the result that will come here we will pass on here inside of this function. So here we can simply say private fun process text, and in here we can say FB vision text, and it will be of the type Firebase vision text. Right, and here we will have it inside the block. So every text will be in a block, so we can first of all fetch all the blocks, and then we can process the blocks one by one. Right, so here we can say blocks, so we have to use the list. Alright, so here we can say value blocks, and it will be of type list Firebase vision text dot block, and it will be FB vision text dot get blocks. Alright, so after this we can check if blocks dot size equal to 0, so we can print a toast message no text detected. Right, and inside our else part here we can simply use a for loop, and inside that for loop we can say for block in FB vision text dot get blocks, and so here we can say value text equal to block dot text, and finally we can say text detect dot set text, and we can pass on the text here. Alright, so that was the code. So here we will now run the application, and let's see if it works or not. Alright, now the application is running. Let me show you. Okay, so we will click on pick image, then we will select the image, and then we will click on detect, and there you can see that it has detected the text. Alright, so guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.